Every weekday, join us on Patreon and subscribe to my YouTube channel to catch the live stream of the CNBC Investing Club with Jim Cramer's morning meeting at 10:20 a.m. Eastern Time. Here's a summary of the key moments from Tuesday's session. Don't like the tape. On Tuesday, U.S. stocks experienced gains as the rate of inflation in May reached its lowest annual rate in over 2 years, according to the Labor Department's Consumer Price Index report. This positive development raised hopes among investors that the Federal Reserve would not implement an interest rate hike during its two-day policy meeting, which commenced on Tuesday. However, Jim Cramer advised caution, expressing his unease with the current market conditions. He pointed out that certain stocks, such as Oracle ORCL and Adobe ADBE, appear to be consistently increasing in value and cautioned against continuously buying such stocks solely based on similar research findings. Stick with Apple. In reference to research, Jim disagreed with UBS's downgrade of Apple AAPL stock from buy to neutral on Monday. UBS raised its price target for Apple shares to $190 each, implying a 3.4% increase from the stock's closing price on Monday. UBS cited concerns about decelerating revenue growth in Apple's services segment, based on its analysis of App Store spending up until May. The firm also noted a decrease in demand for new iPhones in developed markets like the US over the past 6 months. Jim expressed his belief that Apple services revenue has actually accelerated and emphasized the significance of iPhone demand in emerging markets, particularly India, for Apple's future success. He suggested that investors should consider Apple as a long-term investment. Stay bullish on Wells Fargo. Despite a more than 2% increase in Wells Fargo, WFC, shares on Tuesday, Jim still finds the stock attractively valued. According to FactSet, the stock is currently trading at a forward price-to-earnings ratio of less than 9, compared to its 5-year average of 11.4. Jim noted that investors are choosing the bullish side of Wells Fargo, highlighting CEO Charlie Scharf's potential to further reduce expenses. Earlier on Tuesday, Wells Fargo CFO Mike Santamassimo mentioned during a conference that the bank expects net interest income to surpass its outlook. In April, Wells Fargo projected a 10% increase in net interest income for 2023.